Okay, here we have a KX500 2002 transmission. This was a little tricky for me. It was a little tricky because of the dog cogs, the transmission. I don't know what you call that piece right there, but those two pieces on this side, they go into the slot. Okay, you can see there's a slot for it. You have to look at the orientation. The number is up, facing upwards. Okay, that's a 4, and the other one is a 2. And it goes right in that little groove. There's a little groove in there. The key is don't put this pin in. This pin, you pull it out a little bit, and then you put it right into the shifter right here, right into the grooves. It fits right in like butter. There's only one way it can go in. And here on this side too, the same thing. And now I'm able to spin it freely, and of course I'm going through the gears to make sure everything works. I know you can't go through the gears now, but before I mount this baby up, we're going to go through and make sure everything runs right.